So today I'm gonna be using this ECBASKET Poly Nail Gel Kit. This is the French kit G09, and it comes in this pretty cute box. So let's go ahead and open it so I can show you what comes in the kit. So you will receive a file. You will also receive instructions, tips, and all that stuff, how to use your polygel. Now I have some experience with polygel, so what I'm gonna do today to show you if it works or not, I'm gonna replace these three because I broke these three nails, and we're gonna use this kit. Now you will receive also the nails, and these look pretty good. I usually like to use this kind on my right hand because I usually make them shorter, but since I'm gonna do this side, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some other nails, dual forms that I like, but these ones look pretty good. Alright, so I also received this brush. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this. It doesn't have this let me just show you, it doesn't have this size, but I really like how this looks. It looks nice. Alright, you will get a slip solution. What else? A base coat and a top coat. Love the labels. The labels look so pretty. Oh, what else we got? So we got one of these little cups for your slip solution. Awesome. And we have the polygel. We have the clear color, which is the one that I will use for this, and that's how it looks. And then we have the dark pink, and then I have the bright white, and I have the natural pink. So that's what you will receive on your kit. And then you have the 12 months free extended warranty. Email us to register now. So here's their email. Thank you so much for your order. So yeah, you guys, that's what comes on the kit, and I'm very excited for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that to the side and get everything out of the little plastic. So I got everything out, and like I said, I will be using the clear one because I already have two clear nails, so I will do the clear. And we're gonna see how clear this polygel is. So the way I'm gonna be doing this, I'm gonna put some slip solution right there. You don't need a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and use the base coat first. But before I do that, I like to apply some of this pH bond. Of course, you're gonna push your cuticles back. You're gonna remove, well, I had some gel, so I had to remove that. I removed all that, and I'm ready to apply some of that pH bond. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some base coat. I will cure this for 30 seconds. Now it's very important that you use your base coat before using your polygel on top of your nail. So I'm just gonna cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so now it's completely cured. So these are the dual forms that I'm gonna use. So let me just go ahead and clean them, because I like to use these on my left hand. I keep reusing them, so let me just go ahead and clean my tool. Now this polygel looks really nice. I usually start from the bottom. It feels pretty nice. I feel like I added way too much polygel, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove some. Okay. Make sure to press down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so this is how the nail looks. It looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other nails. So this is how my nails look, and I think they look pretty good. What do you guys think? So the only thing left to do is I'm gonna grab some alcohol, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean them, and I will top coat, and I'm done with my polygel nails, and they look awesome. I really like them. don't think it's hard to work with this polygel. So far so good. So let's go ahead and top coat. Top coat feels pretty good. Not bad at all. I will cure this for 30 seconds. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick them in there on my lamp for 30 seconds. This is how the polygel looks after it's been cured. There is a difference on the pinks. I feel like this one is more opaque, I think. What do you guys think? So this is the natural pink. The first one is the natural pink, and then the bright white, and then I got the dark pink, which is this one. I think I kind of like the dark pink better. And this is how my nails look. So yeah, definitely recommend this polygel. It works really nice. I like it. All right.